Good morning, children. 8th class, linear equation one variable. Here 2.4 exercise. 2.4th exercise. Before that, we have to know that transversal. What is transversal? One concept is that is transversal. What is transversal? A line which divides two or more lines at different points. A line which divides two or more lines with different points. Then the line is said to be a transversal. Here some angles are there. Co-interior angles, co-exterior angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, co-interior angles, co-exterior angles. Check it out. See, these are the corresponding angles. These are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. And opposite angles. These are the opposite angle. These are the opposite angles. These are the corresponding angles. These are the opposite angles. These are the opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal. And corresponding angles are equal. Next, alternative exterior angles. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the four angles. Total 8 angles are there. A and G are the alternative exterior angles. And B and H alternative exterior angles. 2 angles. Interior angles. D and F. Nothing but these are the alternative interior angles. These are the alternative exterior angles. Okay na? Next, corresponding angles, alternative interior angles. See this one. So this is opposite angles are equal. And say this one, this is corresponding to this one. This angle is corresponding to this one. This is angle is corresponding to this one. So indirectly what are those? 2 angles are corresponding angles. What I said? Corresponding angles are equal. So both these 2 angles we should be equal to them. So 3x minus 10 is equals to 2x plus 15. Equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So equal symbol. And 3x minus 10, 2x plus 15. Here minus 10, transposing right hand side, plus 10. Here plus 2x, here transposing left hand side, minus 2x. Next, 3 apples minus 2 apples. So 1 apple. Nothing but 3x minus 2x, 1x. So 15 plus 10, so 25. So x is equals to 25. So where you have to substitute x value, definitely you will get the angle. Next, second problem. Here we don't know first number and we don't know number. So that you have to think, let it is, number is x. 8 times of that number means 8x. We don't know number. So that is we have to think it is x. 8 times of x means 8x. 6 times of number means 6x. Times means into means. Next. Now according to the problem, 10 is in the information of the textbook. Second problem. 10 is less than or 10 is subtracting the 8 times of the number are equals to adding the 4 to the 6 times of the number. Yes, but according to this information, we have to balance in the equation. So 8x minus 10 is equals to 6x plus 4. Next, here 8x, here 6x. Transpose to 6x to left hand side. So here plus 6x, here minus 6. Here minus 10 transpose to right hand side. So minus 10 means plus 10. So plus 10 already 4 is there. 4 plus 10 14. 8 apples minus 6 apples. 2 apples. So 8x minus 6x is equals to 2x. 2 table cancel in 14 7 times. So x is equals to 7. That number is x. What is that number? 7 is a number. By according to that information, the number is 7. Next, fifth problem. One number is there and they divided 2 parts, that is 5:3 ratio. 5 parts, 3 parts. So one number is there, they are separating 2 parts. One is 5 parts, another one is 3 parts. Ratio 5:3 ratio they separated as a number. So we don't know number also. Let's suppose it is x. So means 5 times of x means 2 parts, 5:3. Parts are 5:3. So one part is 5x and another part is 3x. One part is 5x, 5:3 ratio they are separated. So 5x, another number is 3x. Next, given difference are given in the textbook. Difference is equals to 10. This difference is 10. Means 5x difference means minus. So 5x minus 3x is equals to 10. Next, subtracting 5 apples minus 3 apples, 2 apples. In the same manner, 5x minus 3x. So 2x. 2 table cancel in 10 5 times. So x is equals to 5. 5 substitute in the place of 5x. So first number what we thought that 5x. So 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25. So one number is 25. Second number, what we thought that second number 3x. So 3 into x, 3x. So 3 into 5. X value we have to substitute in place of x. So 3 into 5, 15. So first answer is 25. Second number is 15. And sum of these two numbers how much? Third question. In this only third question. First number 25, second number 15. Both of sum of both. So 15 plus 25. 40 answer is there. Okay na? Next. Coming to seventh problem. Rashma is a girl is there. We don't know age. So think present age now. Now present age is x years. X years. We don't know why, because there is no information in the textbook. Seventh problem. Okay na? So Rashma age we don't know. So that's why present age of the Rashma is equals to x years. Next. After 5 years. After 5 years means 5 plus x or x plus 5. Next. 9 years ago. 9 years ago. After means plus. Ago means backside. Means minus. So 9 years ago. Ago means x minus 9. Next. According to the problem, after 5 years means x plus 5 are equals to 3 times of the 9 years ago age. 3 times of the 9 years ago ages. So according to the problem of the given information, x plus 5 is equals to 3 into x minus 9. Then we have to x plus 5 and 3 is distributing law. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 9, 27. So here x transpose to right hand side, here minus 27 transpose to left hand side. So 27 plus 5, 32. 3x minus x, 2x. 2 table cancel in 32, 16 times. So x is equals to 16. What we thought that present age of the Rashma is equals to x years. What is x? 16 years. So Rashma is present age is 16 years. Next. Coming to 2.5. Two fractions are there. Here left hand 2 and right hand 1. So this fraction we want to n value. We want to n value. So minus 5 by 7 transpose to right hand side. So here minus. So plus 5 by 7. Next. LCM is for 3 and 7, 21 is there. So 7 2s are 14, 3 5s are cross multiply. 7 2s are 14, 3 5s are 15. Next. 7 into 3, 21. That is the doing of the LCM. Next. Here 14 plus 15 means 29 and 21. So 29 by 25. Here division, multiplication. Here division. 5. 5 is the division. Transpose into right hand side. Here denominator, there numerator. So here 5 denominator, there numerator. So into 5. 29 into 5. So 145 by 21. So n value is equals to 145 by 21. That is the 2.5 exercise first problem. Okay na? Next, in that only third problem. In that only third problem. So in that also one number is there, and that number divisible by the another number, and the quotient is 4. So first number x, and second number is x minus 36. Why? Because difference is given in textbook 36. So one number is x and another number is x minus 36. Okay na? So first number x and another number is x minus 36. Next, here division, here dividend. This is dividend, this is divisor, this is quotient. Already quotient is given in the textbook. Quotient is 4 and dividend is x and divisor is x minus 36. Remainder is 0. What is division algorithm theorem? Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Quotient plus remainder. So x is equals to 4 into x minus 36 plus 0 remainder. That is the division algorithm theorem. So x is equals to distributing law, distribution. 4 into x, 4x minus 36 into 4. So 144 plus 0. 0 means nothing. Next, so x is equals to 4x minus 144. Here x transpose to, here 4x transpose to right hand side, left hand side, and minus 144 is there, same as. Next, minus 4x plus x. So here minus value is more than the plus value. So minus value and subtracting. So 3x. 4x minus 4x plus x. Nothing but minus 3x and minus 144. So minus minus nullify. Left hand side and right hand side nullify. Next, 3x is equals to 144. So in 3 table, in 144 cancel 48 times. 48 times. So first number is 48. What is second number? What is second number? X minus 36. So x minus 36. What is x value? 48. So in place of x we have to substitute 48. 48 minus 36. Next, so 12. This answer is 12. So in the same manner, boys x, boys sixth problem, boys x, girls 3 by 5 into x. Why? Because in the boys is boys and girls, total number 40. So both of boys plus girls means total cross 10. We have to do this problem, and so 3x by 5 plus x is equals to 40. LCM 5 into x, 5x by 5. So 3x plus 5x, 8x is equals to 5 transpose to right hand, 40 into 5. So 5 40s and 8 table 40 low and 5 times. 8 table cancel in 40 5 times. For 5 5s are 25. So boys strength is 25 and girls strength is 3 by 5 into x. X means 25. Substitute 15. Yes or no? So boys is 25 strength and girls is 15 strength, And this one, seventh problem. Mary age, we don't know. So present age of Mary is x. And after 15 years means x plus 15. 4 times means 4x. Now, according to the problem, after 15 years is equals to 4 times of the present age. That is the information which is given by in the textbook. So, according to that problem, x plus 15 is equals to 4x. So, here 15, x is transposed to right hand side minus x. 4x minus x, so 3x. So, 15 is there. 3 table cancel, 5 times. So, x is equals to 5. Okay, na? Next, coming to ninth problem. A and B finish work 12 days. In a 12 days, they are complete. Both together, they completed. 1 day work, 1 by 12. Both are completed 12 days. 1 day work means 1 by 12. Next, A can only finish. Finishing the work only 20 days. Per day, how much work he done? 1 by 20. So, I want B only alone done work in the day. So, A plus B, 1 day work minus A value means 1 by 20. Total work 1 by 12. So, 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20. LCM is 60. So, 12 table in 60, 5 times, and 20 table in 60, 3 times. So, 5 minus 3, 60. So, here 2 by 60. 2 table cancel, 30. So, finally, B alone in a day, in a single day is equals to 1 by 30. B can complete it total days. B only completed in total reciprocal. Here already 12 1 by 12, 20 1 by 20, subtracting. So, here answer is 1 by 30 per day. Out of 30 parts, he done only 1 part per day. How many days he needed? 30 days he needed. So, B alone only do in 30 days he completed. Next, coming to 12th problem. Cost price is equals to selling price into 100. Formula, this is one formula for the finding the cost price. Cost price is equals to selling price into 100 by gain percentage. Gain G means gain percentage plus 100. Already SP is given in the problem. So, 903 into 100. Already 105. 5 means already 100. 5% extra means 5%. So, 100 plus 5, 105. So, cancellation means 860 rupees. The cost price of that thing is 860 rupees. So, cost price is 860 rupees. So, this is the problems which regarding 8th class, 2. Last check 2.5 and 2.4. These are the problems we have to done that. Okay na? Thank you.